Okay, so stuff goes down the drain. And if too much big stuff goes down the drain and you don't have anything to stop it, then you could be facing major surcharges back from the city. So, what do? Think of your drain like your kitchen sink. You have a little basket inside of the sink, and as you peel potatoes, that basket gets filled up really quickly. You fill up your basket, you fill up your sink. If you fill up your sink, water goes on the floor. So imagine that on a large scale, like you're processing thousands of potatoes in a big processing plant. Now imagine alternatively, if there is no basket at all of that waste will get processed through the city, and if there's too much of it, you can get major surcharges back. Now, BLÜCHER has a 3-tiered solution. We have a low, a medium, and a high filter basket. Now, the greatest benefit to these baskets is these holes can be customized to any size that suits your needs. And this basket can be filled almost halfway to the top and still have enough adequate water flow, and you're not having to shut down the process as often by cleaning your drain, which will save you time, and time is money.